Welcome back everyone. It was a half year ago when I made the last video, I think. Before we talk about the dash cam, this is not sponsored in any way. I have a couple dash cams, some are real old. So my first dash cam I ever bought was that BC Master. It worked pretty good for about 4 years, 5 years. Then it started having issue with the sound. After that I bought the Rove. I would not be surprised if I open them up and they look exactly the same inside. They're very similar on the outside, as you can see. So the Rove is still working, but the biggest issue what I have is they're using capacitors, I think super capacitors. So there are no batteries in it, but somehow they don't hold a charge anymore when you park the car for longer than 2 days. And I'm not saying that about recording. I'm just saying holding the settings of these cameras, and you will see it in a minute what I mean with that. And it's an issue basically, because you sit in the car, you turn your car on, you leave, and then you notice your camera is stuck in the setup and it's not recording. So last year we bought a new one, the Rove R2 4K. I think it was a good deal, except I have no camera in the back now, and you always want front and back cam. Same camera, but the dual, front and back. Let's get started and unpack. So it should have the same specification as the other one. Now we just have to open it up and see what's in here. Like I said, the specification should be the same, but I imagine this camera is a little bit bigger. We have also manual. Please take a second, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel and share it. Let's see all the other goodies first. This is a mount. That's the glue mount. I'm not going to use that. And this one is your suction cup mount. This is the back camera. That's the rear camera here. Now these are probably the wires here. Let me just check that all my cameras are working here. Oh, yeah. So this is all the wiring, and all I hope is that I have enough wire from the front to the back. Here you can see the different size of the cameras. On the left you see the BC Master, that was my first camera, and here's the newest camera. There's also a significant difference in weight. It's really heavy, that new camera, so we will see how it holds up on the windshield. Now let's get started and configure it real quick, then we go out and mount it. Now this is not a touch screen, so you gotta click OK on the bottom.
Format successful.
I'll click OK next. I stay with the default. I don't know about this. Page 26. So it tells you where you can find this. Page 26. It made it pretty easy, right? Nope. See page 26 to find your GTM UTC time zone value. If not sure, select go back and choose manual date and time setup. I wanted to find this out. I used to know it, I forgot. But page 26 is not showing it. This is something different, right? Maybe 36? Nope. Ah, look at this, the settings. Okay, and here you have it. It's page 39, not 26. So they were wrong there. It's page 39 in this manual. You can see it. And yes, it's only for the US. Maybe because I bought it in the US, so we just put some US stuff in it, right? We go with 5. And then how we go and hit OK. OK. So as soon we get the date and time gets changed, as soon I get the GPS lock. Okay, by factory default setting, the dash cam is right.
Video mode.
And
Recording
okay,
started.
so we have the video mode, recording started. We are recording right now the nothing. There you go. Let's go through the app setup real quick. And then we go downstairs and mount it in the car. Okay, that seems like it's all good. Let me add a new device, right? Now I can select this camera, the Dual One. Can proceed. The Wi-Fi connection makes it really easy to change the settings, especially when the camera is mounted behind your mirror or something. You just open your app, connect via Wi-Fi, and to do this, you just hold down the middle button on that camera. It really quick connects to your app, and then you can change the settings without any issues. Now I install the camera real quick. It's really boring stuff, just running the wire. I have a USB-C wire already there from the camera, from my old camera, same USB-C. And I have to run that other USB-C wire to the back camera, and we will see how it works out. Well, it didn't work out for me. I run all the wire, and then I ended up about 2 feet too short. I think that's supposed to be 6 meters because it says 6M on that label, but the wire is not reaching the back. So I temporarily installed the new camera in front, including the rear camera. The rear facing camera also faces to the front now because the wires are too short. It's only a temporary install, and I will move that all around, but I want to get some footage and see the difference in the quality of the camera. Okay, this here is the footage from the R2 4K Dual. Man, what for a long word. Just a forward facing camera, and you see the quality in the default setup. Next, we have from the R2 4K Dual, the back camera. Now this is the camera supposed to face to the back of the car. It's facing to the front because of the short wires. You can see for yourself. I don't know, difference in quality. Okay, and this is some footage of my old camera mounted to the back. Now you saw them all, so you can make your decision what you are going to do. That's it for this week. As always, like, subscribe, notification bell, and all the good stuff. You guys have a great week.